Tonight, a seismic shift at the southern border. The U.S. Supreme Court ruling that a controversial Texas law can take effect, allowing local and state police to arrest migrants suspected of crossing into Texas illegally and state judges to deport them. What will this law mean for federal Border Patrol agents?
I think this is going to be a huge benefit to border security. Anytime you apply a consequence to a violation of law, you see the number of illegal border crossers drop exponentially.
The Supreme Court did not rule on whether the law, known as SB 4, is constitutional, instead leaving that up to lower courts. But the 6 conservative justices did decide the Supreme Court should not stop the law from taking effect. The 3 liberal justices dissented. Justice Sonia Sotomayor writing, "The court gives a green light to a law that will upend the long-standing federal-state balance of power and sow chaos." The ruling is a major blow to the Biden administration, which has argued immigration enforcement is a federal responsibility. But Texas officials, including Governor Greg Abbott, say they're taking action because the White House has not stopped a record number of migrants from crossing into the U.S.
When did you put up this wire?
Texas had already placed razor wire and buoys along the border to deter migrants from crossing illegally, moves challenged in court by the Biden administration. The governor telling us earlier this month that SB 4 did follow the Constitution.
What the Constitution does, it gives authority to states to be able to act when the federal government refuses to act.
Civil rights groups worry the law will lead to racial profiling. Today, the White House said we fundamentally disagree with the Supreme Court's order. SB 4 will not only make communities in Texas less safe, it will also burden law enforcement.
It's just another example of what we have seen from the governor of Texas, Governor Abbott, attempting to politicize what's happening at the border.
So, Gabe, what happens now? Do Texas officials plan to start making arrests now?
No, Lester, a spokesperson for the Texas Department of Public Safety tells me that there is no start date yet for enforcing this law, while Mexico says it will not accept deportations from Texas. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals is scheduled to hear arguments on SB 4 in about 2 weeks. Lester.
All right, Gabe. Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.